Bore da blwyddyn wyth. Hope everybody's okay. Today we're going to look at Blwyddyn. So we're going to be learning how to give more details about where you live. So first of all, we're going to listen to some phrases, look at the pictures, and I want you please to listen to the words and repeat them after me. The first one is yn y wlad. Repeat again, yn y wlad. And yn y wlad means in the countryside. Once more, yn y wlad. Da iawn. Nesaf, next we've got ar stad o dau newydd. Once more, ar stad o dau newydd. Now you repeat please. Ar stad o dau newydd. Da iawn. Ar stad o dau newydd means on a new housing estate. Next we have yn y dref. I'm sure you can guess what it is from the picture. Yn y dref means in the town. Repeat please. Yn y dref. Da iawn. Ac eto. Yn y dref. Da iawn. Nesaf we have yng nghanol y dref. Yng nghanol y dref means in the centre of town. So everybody repeats please. Yng nghanol y dref. Eto, yng nghanol y dref. Da iawn. This one is yn y ddinas. Yn y ddinas means in the city. Okay, so repeat please. Yn y ddinas. Da iawn. Ac eto, yn y ddinas. Da iawn. This one is wrth yr afon, which means by the river. Okay, everybody listen. Wrth yr afon. And repeat. Wrth yr afon. Da iawn. This one is ar lan y môr. I'm sure you already know this one. You all live, if you live in Prestatyn, ar lan y môr, by the seaside, on the seaside. Okay, pawb, listen and repeat. Ar lan y môr. Ac eto, ar lan y môr. Da iawn. Gyferbyn ar ysgol means opposite the school. So you can change ysgol to whatever you want. If you live opposite the park, for example, you would say gyferbyn ar parc. But for this slide, we're going to practice gyferbyn ar ysgol. Pawb, please, gwrando. Gyferbyn ar ysgol. And repeat. Gyferbyn ar ysgol. Da iawn. This slide is ar lôn Meirion. So if you look at the picture of the street sign, that road is called Lôn Meirion, which means Meirion Lane. To say on Meirion Lane, you say ar lôn Meirion. Repeat, please. Ar lôn Meirion. Da iawn. So you could change Lôn Meirion to whatever your street is called. Okay, so now let's see if you can remember these when we go through them, when the picture shows up. Yn y wlad. Please repeat. Yn y wlad. Ar stad o dau newydd. Yn y dref. Yng nghanol y dref. Wrth yr afon. Yn y ddinas. Gyferbyn ar ysgol. Ar lan y môr. Ar lôn Meirion. Da iawn. Well done for having a go. Now normally in school, at this point we'd play slap, but we can't play slap at home because I don't want you to break your computers. So this time, when I say one of the phrases, I want you please to just point at the correct picture. Okay? So, yn gyntaf, first one, y cyntaf, gyferbyn ar ysgol. Did you get it? It's opposite the school. Da iawn. Nesaf, yn y wlad. Da iawn, in the country. Nesaf, ar stad o dai newydd. Did you get it? It's on a new housing estate. The next one is wrth yr afon. I hope you got that one. It's a little bit difficult. By the river. Next one, yn y dref. It's in town. The next one is ar lôn Meirion. On Meirion Lane. Next one, yng nghanol y dref. Well done, it's in the town centre. Nearly finished now. It's ar lan y môr, on the seaside, and the last one is yn y ddinas. Did you get it? It's in the city. Diolch yn fawr. Your next work is going to be on the Word document. Diolch pawb.